Hey Warenotice Shane here, coming at you guys with another awesome technology video, and today folks we're going to be unboxing the Spigen Slim Armor case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. So without further ado, let's get to getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the Spigen Slim Armor case box. As you can see on the front of the box, we have a picture of the case on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. And yeah, we can just flip it over, read more about the case. It's got a kickstand feature, that's pretty cool. Air cushion technology. And yeah, anyway guys, let's open it up and see what this case is all about. So to open it up, this is almost too easy. All we got to do is just pull this little black area down here right out of the box, just like that. And boom, here is the case. We can just pull this guy out right there, and we've got some paperwork right here that talks about installation and removal. So yeah, with that was a really easy unboxing. Let's put this to the side and let's put the case on my Note 20 Ultra 5G, baby. So we can just come over here, flip the case over, and wow, look at this cool design on the inside of the case. And we can just pop my phone right into the case just like this, and boom, now it is on my Note 20 Ultra right there. That is very cool. So anyway, folks, now that we have this case on my phone, let's do a quick tour of it. So over here in the back, we can see we've got a giant camera cutout right here for the awesome triple camera array on the Note 20 Ultra. Down here, we've got some more cutouts as well. We've got one for the USB-C port, one for the speaker grill, and one for the S Pen slot right here. So we can remove the S Pen, still nice and easy, just like that, and put it back in when we're done with it. Over here on this side, we've got nothing of interest. Over here on this side, we have a little button right here, the power button right there. You can use that to put the phone asleep or to wake it up. Over here, we got some volume indicators for the volume rocker that is under there. If you guys can pick this up, we got a plus right there and we got a minus right there. So here we go. We can just use this right there to turn up the volume or to turn down the volume. Those buttons right there are a little hard to push. And yeah, up here on the top of the phone, we got a little cutout right there as well. Anyway, we can come over to the back and we can play with that kickstand feature. That is pretty cool. And wow, this kickstand definitely feels a little thin. It might be a little flimsy if you use it too many times. I remember reading over here in the paperwork, what should you do if the kickstand comes off, and says, don't worry, it's not a defect. You can just insert it back in its place and keep using it. So that's definitely a good thing because it does feel a little bit flimsy right there. So yeah, let's see, we can just kickstand like that, and wow, that is pretty cool. So you can just sit here and watch maybe a movie, a YouTube video, whatever, on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G with it standing just like that with this case. And yeah, this case definitely feels nice and slim in my hands. It's also good that it has a raised lip right here on the front of the phone. So in theory, if you put the phone screen down on a flat surface just like this, your phone screen should not be touching that flat surface. Definitely a good thing. And same thing on the back. It's got a little bit of a raised lip around the camera hump as well. So flat surface, put your phone down. In theory, the surface should not be touching your camera hump. Once again, those are definitely good things right there. And yeah guys, anyway, with that, now we have covered the Spigen Slim Armor case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. I did just test it out, by the way, and yes, this phone still does work with wireless charging with this case on, so that is definitely a good thing. And if you guys want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $40 before taxes. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. I definitely love hearing from all you guys, by the way. So do you hate this case? Do you love this case? Definitely let me know. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this technology video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Spigen Slim Armor case for the Note 20 Ultra. Bye.